Those trees on the edge of the bank are going to go as well. These are the ones we didn't take out last year because once you started cutting the tops off, they bounced back. But looks like more of the creek is washed away. This one, oh dear, that's just snapped straight off. It's a big tree. Another big one here. What's that done? It looks like it might have been leaning out sideways anyway. Not sure. Let's snap right off. They're all wattles. Dear me. Okay, there's a lot of work there to be done. This area here goes straight up the hill, and the hill goes right over through there. There's a forest that goes about 7 kilometres before we hit the neighbour's fence. So it's quite wild in this area particularly. And the creek flows between the neighbours and us, and then heads around the corner past a whole lot of other neighbours down the road before it hits the highway underneath to the ocean in a culvert. So this is all pretty wild in there, not accessible, but some lovely plantings happening. There's another tree down in there. So we do try and tidy up if we can, like we can pull that one through or just let it drop for the critters. And then this fence line goes all the way up the hill, and then it goes across the hill 7 kilometres, as I said. Oh, my little jacaranda is not happy with the frost, I reckon. Don't know what to do with that. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Well, that was a reconnaissance to see what storm damage might have happened. I think we found it. Quite a few. All along the edge here, they're fine. They tend to fall here as well. So, like last year, we had half a dozen crash over that we cut up and use for mulch on the garden. The blackwood's looking lovely. We did trim the bottoms and lifted it a bit, so it seems to have straightened up and got happier. Looks like something needs to be done with the dead wood on the top, but we're still talking about that. Okay, I'm heading back to work in the studio. See you later. Bye.